Edition and Grade 102. I am Almera D. Alexander, together with my partner.
I am Guru Hidayah.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Again, I can hear you. Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
We're good.
Alhamdulillah, Manon. So please stand up for a short prayer, and Miss Guru kindly lead the prayer. Okay, so time to Miss Guru. So class, so before you will be sitting, so kindly pick up the pieces of paper under your chair and please arrange your chair properly. Is that clear to you, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so now before we start our topic, so let me read first our classroom rules. So read after me. Listen.
Listen.
Again, listen.
Listen.
Okay. Listen when your teacher is talking. Number 2, respect.
Respect.
Again, respect.
Respect.
Respect your seatmate, especially to your teacher. And the third one is be kind.
Be kind.
Okay, so be kind others. And lastly, keep it clean.
Keep it clean.
Again, keep it clean.
Keep it clean.
Keep your classroom clean through garbage in the proper place. Is that clear to you, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so now let me check your attendance. Say present if your name is called. Guru,
Present.
Nurhana,
Present.
Anida.
Present.
Okay, so since you are all present, I want to give yourselves a 5 class. So 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, very good. So now let us have a short review about our previous topic. What was our topic last meeting? Okay, Miss Guru, stand up.
Part of the body.
What part of the body that we use for seeing?
Eyes.
Okay, very good. So now, before we continue, let us have a short game. It is called Name the Picture. Identify what picture represent. Okay?
Yes, teacher.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, so what can you see in this picture?
Animals.
Okay, so saan tayo nakakita ng mga animals?
Sa zoo. Sa
Kahit anong klaseng animals.
Sa zoo.
Okay, very good. So, sino-sino ang makakapagbigay ng isang example ng animals? Base sa nakikita niyo sa larawan. Anyone? Okay, Miss Nurhana?
There is a cat.
Okay, very good. So, bigyan natin ng palakpak si Nurhana. Okay, and the second one is this one. What can you see in this picture?
Duck.
Very good. This is a
Duck.
How about this one?
Fish.
Very good. This is a fish. Okay, so now that we are going to discuss about types of
Ecosystem.
So, before we proceed to our proper lesson, let me read first our learning objective. Okay, so read after me. At the end of the lesson,
At the end of the lesson,
the pupils
the pupils
are expected to
are expected to
learn, identify, and describe
and describe
the different types of ecosystem.
types of ecosystem.
Letter B, participate a group
in a group
activity
activity
to showcase
to showcase
different
different
ecosystem.
ecosystem.
Again, ecosystem. And letter C, appreciate the importance of preserving ecosystem.
preserving ecosystem.
Okay. Types of ecosystem. Who want to read? Okay, Miss Haida, stand up.
An ecosystem is a place where plants, animals, and people live and work together.
Okay. Okay. kapag sinabi natin ecosystem, ay isa itong lugar kung saan sama-samang naninirahan ang mga animals, plants, at mga tao na kung saan nabubuhay sa ecosystem. So, ito ay tinatawag na ecosystem. So, sa tingin nyo, sa inyong lugar, matatawag bang ecosystem ang inyong lugar? O ito ay naninirahan na animals, meron mga nakikita niyong plant.
Yes.
Saan lugar?
Sa Latik.
Okay, very good. So, let's proceed naman sa different types of ecosystem. Iba't ibang uri ng ecosystem. So, the first one is we have a forest ecosystem. Ang forest ecosystem, who wants to read? Okay, Miss Norhana, please read.
Forest ecosystem. A forest has many trees, animals like deer, deers, and birds like that. Trees give them food and shelter.
Okay, so when we say forest ecosystem, ay isa naman itong kagubatan na kung saan makikita sa ating kalikasan na kung saan merong mga puno, maraming puno at mga hayop na naninirahan. Katulad ng deer, bears, ay bird. Nakita ba kayo ng bird?
Yes.
Okay, so si bird at saka si like deer and bears ay naninirahan sa forest ecosystem. So, number 2 is we have a desert ecosystem. So, okay, Miss Guro, please read this.
Desert ecosystem. Deserts are hot and dry. Cactus lands grow there. Animals like camels live in the desert.
Okay, so kapag sinabi naman natin desert ay isa itong napakainit o tuyo na lugar kung saan ang plant na nabubuhay doon ay ang cactus. Kasi si cactus ay hindi niya kailangan ng maraming tubig. So, yan ang nabubuhay sa desert ecosystem. Sino-sino dito ang nakakita ng desert ecosystem? So, ito ay tinatawag na desert kasi dry at hot, mainit. So, walang tubig na makikita doon. So, ang nabubuhay na plants doon ay tinatawag na cactus. At ang animals naman na nabubuhay sa desert ay tinatawag na camels. So, naiintindihan?
Yes.
Okay, so let's continue the discussion of Ma'am Almyra. Okay, so the third one is ocean ecosystem. Okay, so who wants to read? Okay, and Mike.
Ocean ecosystem. Oceans are big and full of salt water, fish, whales, and dolphins that live in the ocean.
Okay, so class, nakakita ba kayo ng ocean ecosystem?
Yes.
Okay, so ito yung tinatawag na ocean ecosystem. Kung saan, dito naninirahan yung mga isda, dolphin, at saka whales. Okay, so ang ocean ecosystem is, yan yung malaking karagatan at maalat. So, nakakita ba kayo ng dolphin?
Yes.
Saan nyo nakita?
Sa dagat.
Nakapunta ba kayo sa dagat?
Yes.
Opo.
Okay, so
Swimming.
sino yung nakapagligo sa dagat?
Ako.
Ikaw? So may nakita ka bang dolphin sa dagat?
Wala. Mga isda lang na maliliit.
Okay, very good. So yan ang tinatawag na ocean system. So, the second one is pond ecosystem. Okay, so Anida, can you please read the pond ecosystem?
Pond ecosystem. A pond is a small body of water. Frog, ducks, and insects live around pond.
Okay, so ang pond ecosystem is, ito is a small body of water. Nakakita ba kayo ng pond ecosystem?
Hindi po.
Hindi nyo nakita?
Yes.
Okay, so ito yung tinatawag na pond ecosystem.
Share, ang ganda.
Yes. Ang pond ecosystem is, dito naninirahan yung mga palaka at mga pato. So yung mga palaka is doon sila nangingitlog doon sa pond ecosystem. Tinatawag na lawa.
Oo.
Okay, so, naintindihan nyo ba
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Sinong nakakita sa inyo ng palaka?
Kami po.
Okay. Yung pato.
Kami po sa bahay.
Okay. Yung pato ba ay nangingitlog?
Yes naman.
Okay. So yun ang ibig sabihin ng plant ecosystem kung saan nandiyan yung mga maliliit na hayop. At yung mga palaka at mga insekto at pato. Okay, so the last one is grassland ecosystem. Okay, so Miss Norhana, can you please read the grassland?
Grassland ecosystem. Grasslands have lots of grass and few trees. Lions, zebras, and elephants live in grasslands.
Okay. So class, nakita niyo ba ang tinatawag na grassland ecosystem?
Hindi po. Ano po
Hindi
yan?
nakita. Ito yung tinatawag na grassland ecosystem.
Teacher, nakakita po ko ng grassland sa
Saan?
sa TV.
Sa simula lang ito nakikita.
Kalikasan.
Okay. So ang grassland ecosystem is dito naninirahan yung mga lions, zebra, and elephants. So ang mga lion is kinakain nila yung mga damo doon sa grassland ecosystem. At yung mga zebra at elephants naman is doon sila naglalaro or naghahabulan. Naiintindihan ba, class?
Yes, teacher.
Class, sa grassland ecosystem, pwede ba doon yung mga pusa?
Hindi. Pwede naman.
Sa grassland ecosystem is hindi pwede yung pusa.
Hindi.
Bakit, teacher?
Kasi
Silang makain.
yes, yung pusa is hindi, kahit kumakain sila ng damo, pero hindi naman yun ang totoo nilang pagkain. Okay, so naiintindihan ba?
Opo, teacher.
Okay, anong ibig sabihin ng plant ecosystem?
Maliit na lawa.
Lawa.
Lawa kung saan nandun ang okay. How about the forest ecosystems?
Nandyan naman po yung deer.
Diyan nakatira sa mga deer, bears, and bird.
Okay. Nakita ba kayo ng deer?
Opo, sa TV.
Sa TV lang.
Opo.
Okay, so how about ocean ecosystem?
Opo,
Dagat po.
Dagat. So ang dagat ay pwede tayo maligo or hindi?
Pwede.
Okay, very good. Ang dagat ba ay maalam or hindi?
Mahalan.
Okay. So, naiintindihan ba?
Opo, teacher.
Okay, so what are the types of ecosystem?
Forest ecosystem, desert ecosystem, ocean ecosystem, park ecosystem, and grassland ecosystem.
Okay, so naiintindihan ba lahat?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so wala ba kayong mga katanungan?
Wala po.
Okay, so since naiintindihan nyo, mayroon tayong short quiz. Okay? Ilalagay nyo ito sa 1/4 sheet of paper.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so ang quiz nyo is determine which level of ecological organization the information refers to, take the correct circle. Okay, so itong quiz nyo is circle nyo daw yung answer niya. Naintindihan ba?
Opo, teacher.
Okay, so natapos na ba?
Opo.
Okay, please pass your quiz. Okay, very good. So wala bang tanong, class?
Wala po.
Okay, so dahil wala kayong tanong, meron naman tayong assignment. Ang assignment is dito, sa bagay ito sinasagutan. Naintindihan?
Opo.
Okay, so ang assignment nyo is look at each picture carefully. Then write the correct name of the species trees on the blank line. Okay, naintindihan, class? Kung ano yung gagawin sa assignment?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so may ibibigay akong picture sa inyo at sasagutan nyo ito sa bahay. Yung ibibigay kong picture is, titingnan nyo dito kung saan sila saan dito nakapark yung pinibibigay ko picture. Naintindihan?
Yes po, teacher.
Okay, so wala ba kayong tanong, class?
Wala po.
Wala nang tanong dito sa type of ecosystem?
Wala po, may kinihan.
Okay, so that will be all. So goodbye, class.
Goodbye, teacher!